Hello guys, it is time for another quick vlog style video. In the annual inspection, the kind inspection man pointed out that my sway bar is a bit loose and needs to be fixed. The bushes are worn out. I obtained new bushes and lubricate from a local Jaguar shop. The sway bar mounting bracket bolts are fairly easy to access from above with an extension. There are some random hoses on the driver's side, but you can push them aside. This is quite a tight spot and not the most pleasant place to twist your hand. The same story with the other bolt. This is also a very tight spot. And then the mounting bracket. With the mounting bracket removed, the sway bar moves a bit more, so I could pull out the old bush. I was kind of hoping that I can do this replacement without disconnecting the bar from the wheel hub links, but this hope was in vain. So off to checking the vehicle, removing the front wheels and disconnecting the link. The kind man at the local Jaguar shop suggested to lubricate the bushes with this grease. I do not know how to call this in English, but the direct translation would be like brake rubber grease or something. I added some grease to the sway bar as well, probing the sway bar at the same time. You can feel a certain bump in the sway bar which should align with the bushing's inner groove. Apparently this will prevent the sway bar from moving sideways. Just put the bush on the sway bar and slide the bush in place. And here it is from another viewing direction. And here goes the bracket. Okay, the camera angle is not the best, but you really can't see what you are doing. You have to probe and feel with your fingertips. And here goes the bolt. And the other bolt. This was difficult to put in as the space was so limited. Then the passenger side, first the link. But this didn't want to come off. Then the bolts. I tried to dig out the bolts from the wheel well this time, and how about this? This was easy. To reach the other bolt from here, I should have removed the wheel arch liner, which I didn't. I just loosened it up a bit. and the mounting bracket. Then drop this alternator cooling duct. Oh, this side has so much more space. Should have removed them bolts from this side as well. If I'm ever to do this job again, I'll probably remove the driver's side wheel well liner and try to access the bolts from there. This passenger side is so easy, no need to remove the wheel well liner. Funny, I don't feel anything on the sway bar on this side. It feels completely round. In goes the bush. The bush opening facing the rear side of the car. And then the bracket. This is so easy it starts to feel like cheating. To whom can I complain? This is way too easy. Way too easy. Okay, the sway bar feels firm already, even though everything is just finger tight. Checking that both links are on place. Then the rest is just a piece of cake. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Take care. Drive carefully.